What is the value of the expression 10 divided by 2 times open bracket 2 plus 3 close bracket? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. In the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside the brackets and replace it with 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 2 and 5 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 10 divided by 10, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer to this question. Now let me explain step by step how we should solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, we have a division sign followed by a multiplication sign and then a bracket. To solve this expression, we need to use the BODMAS rule. In this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We need to perform these operations in order from top to bottom. So, we'll start with the bracket first because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. Now it's time to simplify this expression. It's very important to note that in the BODMAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 10 and 2, which simplifies the expression to 5 multiplied by 5. And finally, the value of this expression will be 25. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.